if you have Apple CarPlay in your car, but you want to get wireless Apple CarPlay, we have the solution for you. In today's video, we're going to test the CARABC wireless adapter for Apple CarPlay. So let's test it, let's unbox it, and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is a CARABC for Apple CarPlay connection. So this is the box. You can see it. The connection is right there. Okay. Comes with the user manual, USB-C to USB-A cable, and USB-C to USB-C cable. If your car has a USB-C connection, you use this cable, but for me, my connection is USB-A, so we're gonna use this one. So let's connect it and let's test it and let's see if it works. Okay, now let's connect the phone to the wireless Apple CarPlay. For that, we need to turn on the vehicle. Okay, it's on. And now let's wait a little bit until it shows that it's connected. Okay, right there, Smart Box is connected. And this is the name we have to find on the Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth, and it's right here on the bottom. Click on that one, Smart Box, that one, and then pair. Allow. Let's see what else. I think it's connected. Use CarPlay, yes, and voila. You can see now it's connected to the Apple CarPlay. You see, it works great. I think this one, the resolution looks a little bit better than the one we tested before. Let's see if everything works. The music works. Yes. Yes. Okay. So now let's see how long it will take to connect after you turn on the vehicle. Okay, after you do the settings, this is how long it will take to load automatically. Remember, you only have to set it up one time. After that, it will go automatically like this. So let's see how long it will take. 30 seconds. This is the fastest one so far, so it is great. Everything works as you can see, so I approve it. Okay guys, this is the CARABC, and this is for wireless Apple CarPlay. If your car already have wired Apple CarPlay, this one, it will make it wireless. Okay, it works great. It takes like 30 seconds to connect. I'm gonna put the time how long it took to connect. Okay, but it's good. It has a little bit of a delay on the apps when you're moving the apps and when you're connecting the sound, but it's not that bad. I think I approve it. I like it. So the link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. This one is only for Apple CarPlay, but they do have for Android Auto. I'm gonna put the link for that one. And also, you have a Toyota, they have the wireless adapter for a Toyota. If your Toyota doesn't have Apple CarPlay, the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, it's good. It's quick. It's around 30 seconds, but I think it's okay if you want wireless Apple CarPlay. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.